Making money online is one of the sweetest ways to make money. But what you don't want is to waste your time on the internet, because it's so super easy to waste your time trying to make money online, because there are so many people out there telling you to do this and do that, and at the end of the day it's a complete waste of time. And also, you don't want to spend years or months trying out something that will never work. And that is why I'm making this video, to share 11 online businesses that is a complete waste of time in today's world. So if you're looking to make this money online and you don't want to waste your time trying out something that will never work, please come closer and let's dive in. If this is your first time on this channel, I'm 7-Figure Boss, and on this channel I teach digital skills and how you can make money with it online from the comfort of your home. So if you're looking to make money online, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and also turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload amazing videos like this. And number one on today's list is dropshipping. Now, there are a lot of people out there that keep suggesting dropshipping to everyone. Now, they say that you have to get on Shopify or Amazon FBA and all of that, but the truth is, it's a complete waste of time if you're trying to follow out what everybody is saying, because dropshipping doesn't work like that. And maybe it worked some time ago, but right now in today's world, it's a complete waste of time. And not just your time, it's a complete waste of resources, because you're going to be spending a lot of money trying to do this dropshipping business, because you have to pay for your Shopify store, you have to pay for someone that designed it, you have to pay the person that taught you how to do it, and all of that. And at the end of the day, you do not have any guarantee that you're going to make any sales. So the people making money from dropshipping are people that teach you how to do dropshipping. That's the person that convinced you that you should start dropshipping. And of course, Shopify are going to be making money off of you, because you're going to be paying for your shop on a monthly basis. And at the end of the day, guess who is not making money? That will be you. Now, am I saying that dropshipping doesn't work? No, that is far, far, far away from what I'm trying to say, because I've even made a couple of videos on dropshipping. You can find those videos in the description so that you can learn more about dropshipping and how to start the dropshipping business successfully. Now, what I'm trying to say is that if you follow what people are saying, they always suggest that you find a trending product and then you're going to now start your dropshipping store. But the truth is, by the time you find that trending product, is already late. Why? It's very simple. Because a lot of people are also searching for the trending product. And that simply means that everyone, millions of people are selling the same product. So now the question is, how can you make money from dropshipping? It's very simple. All you need to do is to find a product that you know that you are going to buy if you see it online and it's very cheap or it's affordable. That is the product that you need to sell. And at the end of the day, you're going to be making a lot of this money. So go ahead and try it and thank me later. Trust me, you won't believe what is on my number 2. I'm sure it's going to blow your mind. And that is YouTube. You're going to be wasting your time completely on YouTube if you follow what all these gurus tell you. There's no way you're going to be making any money on YouTube if you start posting rain videos. It works like maybe 10 years ago, but right now, in this present YouTube, if you're not providing entertainment or information like this video, then forget YouTube. YouTube might not be for you. Nobody searches for motivational quotes in today's world. Nobody. Absolutely nobody, because if you go on Instagram, almost everybody is now a motivational speaker. So many people get their motivation from Instagram and even Twitter, and guess what? It's way shorter than someone watching 1 hour of a motivational speech or a motivational talk. So most people wouldn't watch that on YouTube. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you need to be intentional about it. You need to be strategic about it. You need to be creative about it. And that is the only way people can pay attention to you and watch your videos. And if you're confused on what type of content you should be posting on YouTube that is guaranteed to make you money, I have a one-on-one session where I give you clarity and break these things down one by one, the way you're going to understand it. And then I'm going to help you find a very good niche that you can start and is guaranteed to make you money. Find the link in the description so that you can book the one-on-one session and have me give you clarity on this. And then the number 3 on my list is Google News. There's a lot of people that are suggesting that, you do the Google News, you have to search for news, you then translate it, you then upload it on your blogger, and then you start making money off of it. Now, the truth is, all those things are a complete BS. They don't work, they are a complete waste of time, and the only person making money off of it is the person that made that video, because as you watched it, the person got paid, and that is what most of these people care about. So you need to focus. You need to stop chasing shadows. Those things doesn't work. It has never worked. It will never work for you. Don't take my word for it. If you have made money, if you have tried it out and you made money off of any of these things that I've mentioned so far, or even the Google News, please tell me in the comment section, because I would also like to learn. And I mean, I've tried all these things and I know for sure that it doesn't work, but maybe it's just me. Maybe you've tried it and it worked for you. Why don't you tell me in the comment section if you've tried any of these things that I've mentioned so far and how it worked out for you. And that brings us to number 4, which is print on demand. Now, a lot of people talk about print on demand. In fact, it's the starter kit for Make Money Online channel. If they've not talked about print on demand, then it's not a Make Money Online channel. In fact, I have a video or 2 videos on print on demand on this channel. But guess what? I make videos that are very practical, videos that if you try, it's going to work for you. I don't just make videos because I want to get a lot of views, because I've been making money online before I even started this channel. Like, I started this channel like 1 year ago, and I've been making money online ever before I started this channel. In fact, I've been teaching people how to make money online before I even started this channel. So trust me when I tell you I make videos that are very practical and things that are going to make you money, because all the videos that I make are things that I've tried and has worked for me. In fact, that is one of the reasons why I started this channel, because I want to teach people how I make money online. In fact, that should be my phrase. I am here to teach you how I make money online. So, but the truth is, print on demand doesn't work. Now, let's talk about it like matured people. Have you bought any t-shirt online recently on Shopify or Amazon that you just saw because of the write-up, you just bought the t-shirt? No, right? Now, the thing is, there's a lot of options. People can go to any store and buy t-shirts, so the demand is very low. These things worked like years ago when people were freaking out about it. And it also works for people that are popular. Like if I launch my t-shirt now and I say, let's dive in, and that's print on demand, right? So whatever you order for the t-shirt, the company is going to print the t-shirt with let's dive in design that I provided, and then I'm going to get paid, and then you're going to have that t-shirt. And that is because you know me, and that's because I'm popular. And that is the same for everyone that is succeeding in that line of business. So in today's world, you have to be very popular to succeed in that business. So you don't want to waste your time doing all the design for the shirt, setting up your shop and all that, and at the end of the day, you don't get anything out of it. So trust me, print on demand doesn't work. You can find a link in my description to learn the print on demand business that currently works in today's world. And that brings us to number 5, which is making money watching videos. Now, I've made a video about this, but I said I'm still going to mention it just in case you didn't watch the video. Now, you're not going to be making any money watching videos in today's world. Now, see, on a serious note, I need you to understand the concept of making money. Making money is very, very difficult. And that is why a lot of people go to jail or even lose their life trying to make money. So if making money was that easy, everybody will be rich. Nobody will be broke out there. So you're not going to be making money watching any type of video. All those things that it teach you is nothing but a complete BS. But guess what? People still fall for those things because they don't know any better. And that is why I'm making this video. And guess what? A lot of people will not still watch it. Why? Because I didn't say make $5,000 watching videos, because those are the kind of things that people want to watch. And guess what? People are going to keep making that kind of video because they're online to make money for themselves. They are not here to help you in any way. Do not, I repeat, do not waste your time. All you will do is enriching the people that taught you that you can make money watching videos, because they get paid when you watch their videos. And that brings us to the next one, which is secret websites. Now, anytime you hear make $1,000 from this secret websites, run. There is no secret website out there that is going to make you any money. So anybody that promises you that, 17 secret websites that makes you money, please, they all want to make money off of you. By you watching the video, they've made money, but guess who is not making money? And that will be you. And guess what? you even spent your time and most likely your resources trying to set up those things up, and then you don't get to make any money at the end of the day. And the next one on the list is graphics designing. Now, this is a skill, and it's a skill that I think you don't need in this generation, because there is what we call generative AIs that can generate anything you can ever imagine with just a single prompt. So you don't need to go stress yourself learning how to design anything, because you're going to waste your time, waste your resources, waste your energy, and nobody's going to hire you. Now, I'm not saying you can't make money as a graphic designer, but you have to be creative and intentional about it. Now, if you're a graphic designer and you tilt more to designing thumbnails for people, you're going to be making a lot of money. If you wish to learn graphics designing, or if you're already a graphics designer, please study YouTube thumbnails or go to a professional and let the person teach you how to design YouTube thumbnails. And trust me, you're going to be making a tremendous amount of money. There are thousands of people that make over $1,000 for just one YouTube thumbnail. So if you're a graphic designer that majors in YouTube thumbnail, you're going to be making a lot of money. But if you say you want to be designing flyers or Instagram posts or all of that, you're not going to be making any money online. Trust me, it's a complete waste of time. And the next one is copywriting. Now, there's a lot of people that say you can make a ton amount of money from copywriting. The truth is that there are AIs now that can do amazing copywriting jobs for you with just a single prompt, and under 1 second you have generated your article or anything that you want to write about. So, I mean, copywriting is no longer a professional work. Even if you want to run ads, you want to design your website, you want to do anything, you just have to use AI. So that reduces the number of copywriting demand drastically. Now, I'm not saying that copywriting is dead, but the only way you can make money from copywriting in today's world is by writing blog articles for people. Now, Google will not rank any article or any blog that is using AI generated article, and that is where you need a real human to write a real article that you're going to be uploading on your blog. So if you wish to make money as a copywriter, you need to learn how to write blog articles, because that is the only way you can make money as a copywriter in today's world. Now, I'll be hosting a free blogging masterclass this month, and I'm going to be teaching everything that you need to know about starting your own blog and starting to make money online with your blog, and also how you can start copywriting and start writing articles for blog. Find the link in the description to pre-register for the masterclass. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything. I'm going to be teaching you A to Z on how to start and run a profitable blog. And the next one I have on my list is affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of people keep talking about affiliate marketing and how you can make money off of it. And some people even run a multi-level marketing and sugarcoat it with affiliate marketing. Now, you can only make money from affiliate marketing if you're marketing for a particular company. Let's say I'm selling a course, and then you tell a couple of your friends that I'm selling this course and this course will help them, blah, 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 and all that. And then you get your commission for every sales that we make through you. That is how affiliate marketing works. But the way people preach it, that once you start affiliate marketing, you start making millions of dollars, that is a complete BS, because the only way you can make money, serious money from affiliate marketing, is if you're a popular person or if you have an audience. So if you have a blog or if you have a YouTube channel, then you're going to be making a lot of money from affiliate marketing. In some months, the money that I make from affiliate marketing is usually more than the revenue that I get from YouTube. So if you're looking to start affiliate marketing because someone suggested that you can make money off of affiliate marketing, please, you need to reconsider that, because that will be a complete waste of your time. You would rather invest that time in learning something that is going to pay you than waste all those months trying out something that you are going to be making peanuts off of. So if you want to make money from affiliate marketing, then you need to start a blog or start a YouTube channel, and then you're going to be making an infinite amount of money from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a gold mine when you have an audience. And that brings us to the next one, which is Google Translate. Now, a lot of people have preached this on this YouTube, and I keep getting angry every single time that I see it. You're not going to be making money from Google Translate. Making money online is not that easy. If it's that easy, those people won't be on YouTube teaching you all those things. Trust me, to make this money is very hard. And if you think you're going to just translate one ad or one article into English and then you're going to post it on your blogger's blog, then you're not going to be making money. And that brings us to the next one, which is running a blog. Now, a lot of people encourage you to run a blog. You translate things and then upload it on your Google blog, and then you're going to make money off of it. No, you're not going to be making any money from blogger.com. Now, that is a Google hosted blog where you can post articles that you just want to write for free. But if you're looking to make money, if you're looking to make a tremendous amount of this money from blogging, you need to have your own website. You need to have your own hosting, your own domain, and then you start posting your articles, and Google is going to place adverts on your blog, and then you're going to be making a lot of money from it. But anything away from that, you're not going to be making any money. And if you want to learn things that could help you make money online without wasting your time, then I've put together this playlist for you so that you can watch it and learn different ways that you can make money from the comfort of your home. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.